Hello, and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this topic, we'll be learning about people. Name,
名字
name,
名字
surname,
姓
surname,
姓
called,
叫
called,
叫
good,
好
good,
好
not good,
不好
not good,
不好
very,
很
very,
很
question particle,
妈
question particle,
妈
what is your name?
你叫什么名字
What is your name?
你叫什么名字
My name is,
我的名字是
my name is,
我的名字是
I am called,
我叫
I am called,
我叫
how are you?
你好吗
How are you?
你好吗
I am very well,
我很好
I am very well,
我很好
and you?
你呢
And you?
你呢
I am well also,
我也很好
I am well also,
我也很好
I am not very well,
我不是很好
I am not very well.
我不是很好
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, why not check out our website www.superspeakjuniors.com. Bye!